Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best grow tents, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best grow tents options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which grow tents is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Mars Hydro Grow Tent Kit. Transform your indoor gardening experience with the Mars Hydro 2x2 Grow Tent Kit. This kit features the TS600 LED Grow Light, offering a full spectrum for optimal plant growth. The 24 inches by 24 inches by 55 inches hydroponics grow tent boasts durable 1,680D canvas for sturdy support. A 4-inch ventilation system ensures excellent air circulation, maintaining a healthy environment for your plants. Perfect for new growers seeking professional results at home. Perfect for beginners, ideal for new growers. This kit simplifies indoor gardening with an all-in-one solution. High-quality materials. 1,680D canvas ensures durability and longevity, protecting your plants with a sturdy, robust structure. Full-spectrum lighting. The TS600 LED Grow Light mimics natural sunlight, promoting healthy plant growth and maximizing yields. Number 2, AC Infinity CLOUDLAB Advanced Grow Tent. The AC Infinity CLOUDLAB Advanced Grow Tent series is widely regarded as a top-tier choice for indoor growers, frequently praised for its superior material thickness, 2000D canvas, and sturdy 22mm steel frame. While priced higher than budget brands like Mars Hydro, it is often cited as the best overall quality for price recommendation. Durability. Features 2000D Oxford canvas, significantly thicker than the industry standard 600D, and 1-inch, 22mm diameter steel poles that can support up to 150 to 250 pounds of equipment. Light control. Uses lab-tested diamond mylar for maximum reflectivity and dual cinch duct ports with front zipper flaps to prevent light leaks. Integrated tech. Includes a unique controller mounting plate with a light-proof cable pass-through, specifically designed to house AC Infinity UIS controllers. Accessibility, equipped with large observation windows and high-performance SBS zippers designed for smooth, snag-free operation. Number 3. Vivosun 2-in-1 Grow Tent. The Vivosun 2-in-1 Grow Tent is a highly rated, versatile, and durable 600D/2000D canvas tent designed for perpetual harvesting, featuring a large main chamber, flowering, and smaller side chambers. Seedling vegetation. It is excellent for maximizing limited space, featuring high-quality zippers, sturdy metal poles, and useful side vent placements for air circulation. Number 4. Spider Farmer Pro. White elevate your indoor gardening with the Spider Farmer 4.6 by 2.3 by 6.6 Pro-Grade Grow Tent. Featuring a spacious 55 inches by 28 inches by 80 inches dimension, it provides ample room for your plants. The 1,680D thick mylar canvas ensures durability and optimal light reflection. An observation window allows easy plant monitoring, and the included floor tray simplifies cleaning. Perfect for pairing with the SF2000, this grow tent promises a thriving indoor garden. Premium durability. Constructed with 1,680D thickened mylar canvas, this grow tent ensures long-lasting durability and reliability for indoor gardening. Optimal light reflection. The highly reflective interior promotes efficient light distribution, enhancing plant growth and maximizing yield. Convenient observation window. Number 5. Vivosun DIY Smart Grow Tent System. Elevate your indoor gardening experience with the Vivosun DIY Smart Grow Tent System 4x2. This Wi-Fi integrated grow tent kit automates ventilation and circulation, ensuring optimal plant health. Featuring a full-spectrum 200-watt LED grow light, it guarantees perfect illumination. The Grow Hub E4 2A controller simplifies scheduling, making plant care effortless. Perfect for both novice and expert growers seeking innovative solutions.